Hey Nathan, can you climb your newly lowered bed? Huh, baby? Careful! Don't fall now. Don't fall now. Oh! Where are you going? No, don't cheat. Don't use the pillow as a step stool. Do it on this side. Come do it on this side so Mommy can see. Nathan, can you come do it on this side, please? Be careful, you're gonna fall. Don't fall. Here, come this way. Come this way. Come here. Come here. Come here. Hi. Hi. What's that? Did you do it? You did it, big guy. You did it. Did you do it? Uh-oh. No. No, Nathan. No. Hands off. Uh-uh. 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 You're going to break it. You're going to break it. No. No. Nathan. Hi.